Hi, my name is Dee. Welcome to this video about programming. I will tell you more about myself in the future. Let's not waste any time now. Have you always wanted to know what programming really is? In the next few minutes, I will try to walk you through it. Just sit back and try to keep up. To begin with, and to avoid any confusion, I will clarify the word programming, since it has several meanings. Some may think programming is setting your thermostat, or for those who can remember, setting up your VCR. This is correct. However, in the world of computer science, we usually mean writing the specific set of instructions a computer must perform. We call this imperative programming. Let me explain this further. Programming is nothing more than writing a recipe. In other words, a program is a recipe. In the case of a recipe, the cook reads the recipe and executes it. In the case of a program, the computer reads the program and runs it. The recipe consists of instructions so the cook knows how to transform ingredients into a meal. The same thing happens with a program. Remember, it's also a kind of recipe, but for the computer. The program does not get ingredients as input but data. The computer uses and manipulates this data, it executes the program and transforms it into output data. I can see you wondering. But the recipe turns ingredients into a meal. You can clearly see the transformation the cook generated. However, putting data in, while getting data out, as your outcome is virtually the same. I understand the confusion. Which brings me to data. Let me tell you what data is. A basic example is all the content of an Excel file. In other words, group of values. Data can be a word, a phone number, a list of codes, you name it. Let me visualize this for you. Even a picture is a group of coordinates and colors on your screen processed by a computer and then displayed. You see, it is basically a list of values. Let's put this in practice with the following example. Everybody is familiar with Google Maps. We use it on a daily basis to find the shortest way to our destination. The data in is a map of the Netherlands, a starting point, let's say Heerlen, a destination, for instance Amsterdam. The Google computers execute the program, resulting in data out, which is the shortest route by car from the starting point to the destination. So basically, a program tells you how to manipulate data in a specific order. Now things will get complicated. How does the computer go from data in to data out? How does this processing work? Exciting, isn't it? Let's take it step by step. We'll explore more of the inner workings of a program in the next video.